if I skate this way. But then you go across these. I get room, dude. Oh, look at this.
Before you only had a crew, there wasn't no punk, and they spit fire shirts and SB dunks. They would push till they couldn't skate no more. Office building like these wasn't safe no more, and it wasn't like they wasn't getting chased no more. Just the freedom was better than breathing, they said. An escape route they used to.
This is fun. I do it because it's fun. And coast. This is like the best area, but it's very little. But if you want, it's because this is like the smoother pavement. Yeah. But I have a saw right here. It's my table saw because I'm like a table saw user. I use that saw a lot. Wow. Go. Now what? Oh shit!
The cabinet looks good.
Huh?
The cabinet looks good.
Hey, thank you. I love it. Oh my god, I need to do it so bad. It's like the Matrix. You feel like you're in the Matrix there for a minute.
How many kids are coming over? Oh,
And I don't even know that they're all eating.
yeah.
You know?
I mean,
Not
I got like a big pack of hot dogs, but I only got one pack of bars.
yeah. They could just like grill a hot dog and eat it on a stick even. You know?
Yeah.
They could find a stick. They just, you know, Cruz doesn't go to parties. He doesn't drink, he doesn't smoke, and he won't go to parties. He won't hang out with his friends if they're drinking and smoking there. He doesn't feel comfortable there, so I love that. So I'm like, you guys come here, because then I know you feel comfortable, you know?
Yeah.
So then you have like a little after school, like, I don't know, like, my legs are so sore. Like, dude, they're so sore. Got it. You got it. Back. To show these pea pods. These peas are so good. Oh look, we have a little broccoli. There is a little broccoli, and maybe if you look harder, there might be peas. There's a lot of flowers, so that means we're gonna have a bunch of peas. I need to look from the other side though, and just look at how good those flowers are doing. Ugh. I just love it. I think this is Brussels sprouts. They are Brussels sprouts. Yes, those are all broccoli. Yeah. I have like, these peas are doing so good this year. It's probably. And there's sunflowers and corn and green beans coming up, like all right here. It goes all the way down. I have to weed too, but you want some weeds. Some weeds are good. Green beans and corn. Dogs are already eating it. It's annoying. But because I will spray those little fuckers. You know? I don't fuck around. I'm glad that you love it. Huh. I want you so bad? How do you know I want you so bad? Wait. You done that? Yeah. I think this garden is gonna be like the best ever because I've never planted so much. And I like really would like to do more. I have space for it for sure. Am I dating someone? Yeah, since I was 15. Crazy. So yeah. Alright, well. How long have we been live? You don't know because I've had to restart it so many times. I hate that. Greetings from the states of Colorado. Thanks for thinking I'm hot. I appreciate that. I'm happy that you think I'm a good looking gal. Yeah, it's good. And you like my garden, so. You did a good research. Well, the squirrels don't. They come. I don't keep them away. I just try to grow enough to share. Like literally. My so I was feeding the squirrels, but I don't feed the squirrels anymore. Like I will not feed them anymore because they're aggressive and they're being mean to my cats. So I'm no longer feeding the squirrels. They do eat my garden. They ate my watermelon last year. They eat my squash. So that's kind of annoying. But I still grow everything always. I don't ever let it stop me. I just grow extra. I don't know. I know that my quads are so sore. No, I do not have a Telegram. Don't get scammed. Please don't get scammed. I don't have a Telegram. No. Yeah, no, I don't. So don't. My TikTok. Well, I guess that you could follow my ex and I can start shouting my TikToks out there. My ex is Corey Sapphire, but you have to be 18 or older to follow it. So you have to go in your settings and you have to change in your settings that you're allowed to see 18 and plus content on your ex, and it's Corey Sapphire. So if you do that, I guess I can start shouting myself out and say like, this is my newest TikTok that I'll be going live on. Not always would I remember, and it just, I don't know. Or just follow my main, and I'll shout it out on my main. You know? You'll message me where? Because I don't message people here. I don't message people here at all. So, if you're talking to a Corey here, it's not me. You guys, what you guys say in the chat really does affect my live. As soon as you guys all as soon as I pull my shirt up a tiny bit, you guys start talking about this, and it's horrible because you guys ruin it. I have to then restart the live. Like, women are allowed to have vaginas, but what you guys are not allowed to do is say nasty shit about it. You know? But, oh, maybe you come back, I don't know. I probably won't come back. I'm so sore. I cannot believe how sore I am from that workout I did. When did I do that? Not yesterday, the day before that? I'm 40 years old. All right, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys have such a good night. I might. Maybe. Yes, no, what? Freedom.